I thought that I've been hurt before, but no one's ever left me quite this sore. Your words cut deeper than a knife. Now I need someone to breathe me back to life. Got a feeling that I'm going under, but I know that I'll make it out alive if I quit calling you my lover and move on. You watch me bleed until I can't breathe, shaking, falling onto my knees, and now that I'm without your kiss.
Aquesta aplicació està feta amb l'App Inventor. Consisteix que hi ha 3 imatges i al clicar-les fa un so.
Nespresso. What more?
What else? But that's what George Clooney says.
Nespresso.
I'll be needing stay.
Aquest any a tercer d'ESO estem fent aplicacions amb el mòbil i aquest és un exemple. Pots escollir un color i un tamany i pots anar fent dibuixos i també pots fer fotos.
Itches, tripping over myself, aching, begging you to come out. And now that I'm without your kisses, I'll be needing stitches. Just like a moth drawn to a flame. Oh, you lured me in, I couldn't sense the pain. Your bitter heart cold to the touch. Now I'm gonna reap what I sow. I'm left seeing red on.
What do you think that we can use to make a chain? Good. Good. Good? Iron? Iron? Yes. It could be. But it would be a heavy one. Yes. Okay. Glass? Glass?
My own.